Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about popular jobs in the future. In the future, it is expected that many new jobs that do not exist today will be created due to technological advancements, social changes, and changes in economic activities. Introducing 12 promising jobs expected to emerge in the future. Technological advancements and social changes are constantly changing the way we live and work. New jobs that were unimaginable in the past are emerging. And existing jobs are being transformed with new skills and knowledge. Artificial intelligence technology is already being applied to various industrial fields and is expected to grow even faster in the future. The demand for artificial intelligence-related professionals is rapidly increasing. In order to succeed in the future society, it is important to prepare for these changes and be able to seize new opportunities. This material introduces several occupations expected to be promising in the future. The characteristics of each occupation, related fields, and ways to prepare for these occupations. We will also look at core competencies for success in the future society and interesting future job trends. Promising future jobs can be broadly divided into 11 fields, including artificial intelligence, big data, medicine, environment, education, content, entrepreneurship, finance, marketing, design, and programming. Representative occupations and characteristics in each field are as follows. Now, let's set off to find the knowledge right to know. First, artificial intelligence ethicist. With the development of artificial intelligence technology, issues of artificial intelligence ethics are becoming more important. Its role is to research and suggest solutions to ethical issues that arise during the development and use of artificial intelligence. We are experts who research and resolve ethical issues that arise during the development and use of artificial intelligence AI. We establish AI development guidelines and establish ethical standards to prevent AI development that harms humans or has a negative impact on society. We evaluate the ethical impact of developed AI systems or services on society and suggest improvement measures. Participate in ethical debates related to AI technology and coordinate diverse perspectives to reach consensus. We improve social awareness of AI ethics by developing and operating training programs on AI ethics and producing and distributing related materials. We participate in establishing AI ethics-related policies and improving systems, and promote the establishment of related laws. No specific training courses are yet in place. You may benefit from studying the following academic fields. You must study ethics, moral philosophy, and technology philosophy as philosophy, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robotics as computer engineering. Information law and cyber law as law and sociology, psychology, and economics as social science. It is important to have interest in and understanding of technical and ethical issues, logical thinking skills, and communication skills. As technology develops, the role of artificial intelligence ethicists is expected to become more important. We must work across society to ensure that artificial intelligence technology has a positive impact on humans. What is an object data certification source? In the Internet of Things IoT era, enormous amounts of object data are generated. We verify the authenticity and security of data to ensure safe and trusted data use. This is a new job that has emerged in the Internet of Things IoT era and is responsible for ensuring the reliability and safety of data generated from objects. Establish regulations for standardized formats and quality of data from objects. Assess and certify compliance with standards and regulations. We develop and manage security technologies and procedures to prevent unauthorized access, leakage, and tampering. We study ethical issues that arise during the utilization process and suggest solutions. We develop and operate training programs on related knowledge and ethics, and produce and distribute related materials. The reason why an object data authentication source is necessary is that as technology develops, various objects are connected to the internet and generate enormous amounts of data. Although it is an important resource that can contribute to the development of new industries and services, it also raises issues related to data reliability, safety, and ethical use. It plays a role in solving problems and helping to ensure that object data is used safely and ethically. As technology spreads, the importance of object data authentication is expected to increase. It is expected to play a very important role in future society. What is a weather control manager? Preventing extreme weather events caused by climate change and increasing crop production are becoming increasingly important. Weather managers manage future weather using technologies such as artificial rainfall and typhoon path control. He is an expert who puts artificial rain technology to practical use, researches ways to minimize the side effects of environmental problems, and reduces damage caused by rapid climate change. Solve water shortage problems by inducing artificial rainfall in drought-affected areas. Reduces damage by weakening the intensity of typhoons or hurricanes. We prepare measures to prevent and reduce damage from disasters such as heat waves, heavy snow, and landslides caused by climate change. We evaluate the impact of artificial weather control technologies on the environment and devise measures to minimize side effects. We collaborate with overseas organizations to contribute to solving the international climate change problem. No specific training courses are yet in place. You may benefit from studying the following academic fields: meteorology to atmospheric science, weather forecasting, climate change and atmospheric physics to physical properties of the atmosphere, meteorological phenomena, environmental engineering to air pollution, environmental problems, engineering to artificial intelligence, machine learning, simulation jurisprudence to environmental law, international law, atmospheric science, weather solutions, computers forecast, climate change, atmospheric physics, physical properties of the atmosphere, meteorological phenomena, environmental engineering, air pollution, solving environmental problems, computer engineering, artificial intelligence, machine learning, simulation, law, environmental law, international law, logical thinking, problem-solving skills, communication skills, teamwork. It is important to have skills, etc. As climate change intensifies, the role of weather management managers is expected to become more important. Weather managers must take the lead in developing and deploying artificial weather modification technologies for a sustainable future and reducing the damage caused by climate change. What is a bioprinter technician? Which uses 3D printing technology to print artificial organs, tissues, and even the human body, will bring innovation to the medical field. We design, manufacture, and operate these technologies and work in fields such as artificial organ transplantation and tissue regeneration. We are experts in designing, manufacturing, operating, and managing bioprinters. It is a 3D printing technology that uses cells and biomaterials to produce artificial organs, tissues, skin, etc. We design and manufacture bioprinters that can be used in various fields such as medicine, research, and industry. Responsible for operating and maintaining bioprinters accurately and efficiently. We develop bio-inks made from cells and biomaterials used to manufacture artificial organs, tissues, skin, etc. By optimizing the bioprinting process, we can produce artificial organs, tissues, skin, etc. more precisely and efficiently. We research ethical issues that arise during technology development and utilization and suggest solutions. No specific training courses are yet in place. You may benefit from studying the following academic fields: 3D with biotechnology, cell biology, tissue engineering, regenerative medicine and mechanical engineering, printing, robotics and automation, electrical and electronics for electronic control, sensors and data analysis, software development, algorithms, simulation medicine with computer engineering, physiology with anatomy, pathology. It is important to have logical thinking skills, problem-solving skills, teamwork skills, and meticulousness. Bioprinting technology is expected to revolutionize the medical field, and bioprinter technicians will be key personnel driving this technological advancement. You can work in a variety of fields such as artificial organ transplantation, tissue regeneration, and skin transplantation, and it is a very promising career that can contribute to the development of future medical care. What is a space travel guide? As the era of space travel begins, experts for space travelers will be needed. We provide information about the space environment, safety procedures, attractions, and more, manage your travel itinerary, and create an unforgettable space travel experience. We are experts who help space travelers have a safe and enjoyable space trip. We provide consultation to people who wish to travel to space, and help them make the optimal travel plan by considering their health status, economic conditions, and interests, lifestyle, safety procedures, emergency situations in a zero-gravity environment. It educates people on how to cope and helps them prepare physically and mentally for space travel. We monitor the health status of travelers, manage meals, rest, and leisure activities, and respond quickly to unexpected situations. We provide information on various space tourism programs such as spacecraft interior facilities, Earth observation, and spacewalks, and help travelers have a fun and meaningful time. We create a harmonious travel environment by helping travelers from various countries communicate and understand cultural differences. No specific training courses are yet in place. You may benefit from studying the following academic fields: aerospace engineering, knowledge about spacecraft, satellites, rockets, etc. Knowledge of space, planets, stars, etc. Through astronomy, knowledge of human physiology, psychology, nutrition, etc. Through life sciences, multilingual skills such as English and Chinese as a foreign language, customer service, communication, and teamwork. Logical thinking skills, problem-solving skills, meticulousness, and responsibility. It is important to be kind, etc. With the advancement of space travel technology, the role of space travel guides is expected to become more important. We are expected to participate in more diverse space travel programs in the future, and become key personnel in future society. What is a remote maritime navigation security expert? Advances in autonomous ship technology will eliminate the need for human resources to operate ships. Remote maritime operation security experts monitor the systems of remotely operated ships and protect them from hacking attacks. Remote maritime operation security experts are experts who ensure the safety of remotely operated ships. We prepare and implement measures to protect ships from cyber attacks that attack maritime operating systems, such as hacking and ransomware attacks. We analyze system vulnerabilities and improve them by applying security patches and upgrading systems. Raise awareness of cybersecurity risks and train personnel involved in ship operations on safe operating procedures. We respond quickly to incidents due to cyber attacks or system problems and take steps to minimize damage. Ensure compliance with laws and regulations related to the security of maritime operating systems. There is no specific training course yet in place to become a remote maritime operations security expert. You may benefit from studying the following academic fields: information security with cryptography, network security, penetration testing, marine engineering with ship operation, maritime safety, and maritime law, computer engineering with programming, system management, and networking, understanding maritime-related international standards and regulations. Logical thinking, problem-solving skills, meticulousness, and responsibility. It is important to have it. With the advancement of technology, the role of remote maritime navigation security experts is expected to become more important. It is expected to protect ships from increasingly sophisticated cyber attacks in the future, and play an essential role in ensuring safe maritime operations. What is a digital footprint removal specialist? As internet use becomes more active, the problem of personal information leakage is becoming more serious. We protect your privacy by deleting or hiding personal information online at your request. A digital footprint removal specialist is a person who specializes in helping individuals delete or hide as much of the information left behind by their online activities as possible. We search and analyze online bulletin boards, SNS, etc. that contain personal information such as an individual's name, email address, phone number, and address. Contact the relevant website administrator or platform operator and request that any personal information found be deleted. Request deletion of personal information by reporting it to the relevant authorities of the Personal Information Protection Commission or through legal procedures. We implement technical solutions to prevent personal information from being revealed in search engine results. Improve your online reputation by deleting or hiding negative information or comments about an individual. It is helpful to have the following knowledge and competencies: knowledge of laws related to the protection and management of personal information, understanding of website structures, how search engines work, social media platforms, etc., using internet technology, ability to find and analyze data containing personal information, communicate effectively with relevant website administrators or platform operators. It is important to have the ability to negotiate and use a variety of computer programs and tools. As internet use becomes more active, the problem of personal information leakage and misuse is expected to become more serious. Digital footprint removal experts provide an essential service to protect individuals' online privacy, and this is only expected to grow in the future. What is a robot coach? As robots are used in various fields, experts who train and manage robots are needed. Program the robot to perform tasks, and we evaluate performance and teach how to collaborate with robots. He is a sports expert who uses artificial intelligence technology to provide customized training support for each athlete. We collect and analyze data using sensors, cameras, and AI technology that analyze water skills, physical strength, etc. Based on the analyzed data, the strengths and weaknesses of each player are identified, and a customized training program tailored to the individual is developed. During the training process, the player's movements and skills are analyzed in real time and feedback is provided for improvements. Continuously evaluates the effectiveness of training programs and revises programs as needed. We help players manage their mental condition and focus on training. There is no specific training course yet in place to become a robot coach. You may benefit from studying the following academic fields: exercise science to biomechanics, exercise physiology, exercise psychology to computer science to artificial intelligence. With machine learning, data analysis and sports coaching, it is important to have sports strategies, tactics and training methods. With physical education, it is important to have exercise anatomy, exercise physiology, and exercise medicine. It is important to have logical thinking skills, problem-solving skills, communication skills, and teamwork skills. With the advancement of artificial intelligence technology, the role of robot coaches is expected to become more important. In the future, it is expected that more sophisticated AI technology will be used to maximize the effectiveness of athletes' training and play a key role in helping each individual achieve optimal performance. What is a Chief Automation Officer (SAO)? With the advancement of automation, Technology. Companies will introduce various automation systems to automate tasks. The Chief Automation Officer is the member of the executive team, responsible for establishing and executing the company's automation strategy. Establish an automation vision to achieve the company's business goals, and prepare a strategy to materialize it. We evaluate various automation technologies and select the optimal technology to suit your company's needs. We design, develop, build, and operate automation systems and strive for continuous improvement. We hire and train professional personnel who can build and operate automation systems, create an automation culture within the company, and encourage employees' understanding and participation in automation. Manage organizational changes resulting from the introduction of automation and resolve issues that arise. Measure and evaluate the effectiveness of your automation investments and develop plans for continuous improvement. You don't need a specific degree to become a Chief Automation Officer. However, it is helpful to have the following experience and competencies. More than 5 years of experience in fields such as computer engineering, information systems, and software development with IT expertise. Experience in automation. Experience in automation technologies such as RPA, AI, and machine learning. Experience in leading teams and successfully carrying out projects with management experience. Achieving business goals. Ability to formulate and execute strategies for leadership. Ability to lead and motivate teams. Ability to manage organizational change and resolve issues that arise. It is important to have the ability to communicate effectively with various stakeholders. As the enterprise automation trend continues to accelerate, the role of the Chief Automation Officer is expected to become more important. Chief Automation Officers will play an important role in strengthening corporate competitiveness in the future, and are expected to grow into key personnel in future management. What is a remote drone pilot? With the advancement of drone technology, drones are being used in various fields. By controlling drones located in remote locations, you can increase efficiency by carrying out tasks such as transporting goods, filming, and surveillance. A remote drone pilot is an expert who remotely controls a drone using control equipment from the ground. Drones are used in a variety of fields, but remote drone pilots primarily work in the following fields. We perform aerial filming for dramas, commercials, events, etc. We survey and inspect construction sites, power transmission lines, wind power facilities, etc. Participates in disaster response activities such as extinguishing forest fires, assessing flood damage, and searching for missing people. We deliver medicine, mail, etc. It is used for agricultural activities such as spraying crops and checking soil conditions. To become a remote drone pilot, you must obtain a drone pilot certificate issued by the government. This is a Level 1 certification that allows you to fly all types of drones. This is a Level 2 certificate that allows you to fly a drone weighing more than 250 grams and less than 5 kilograms. This is a Level 3 certification that allows you to fly a drone weighing more than 250 grams and less than 2 kilograms. This is a Level 4 certification that allows you to fly a drone weighing less than 250 grams. The ability to accurately recognize the location and direction of the drone in 3D space is required. Requires the ability to precisely control the drone using the control equipment. The ability to quickly problem solve and respond to emergency situations is required. Requires the ability to work collaboratively with other pilots and related personnel. Ability to comply with aviation and drone laws is required. As drone technology advances, the role of remote drone pilots is expected to become more important. Remote drone pilots are expected to grow into key personnel who will use drones in various fields in the future to create new value and contribute to solving social problems. What is a gamification expert? Gamification experts, who use the fun elements of games to encourage people's participation and solve problems, will be used in various fields such as education, marketing, and medicine. Gamification experts are experts who use the design and principles of games to make non-gaming fields such as education, marketing, and medicine more fun and engaging. Establish targets and goals to apply gamification, select appropriate game elements, and establish a gamification strategy. We design fun and attractive game systems, quests, reward systems, etc. that fit the gamification target. Develop gamification systems using game engines or programming techniques. Measure and analyze the effectiveness of your gamification system and make improvements as needed. We educate you on the concepts, principles, and methods of use of gamification. You don't need a specific degree to become a gamification expert. You may benefit from studying the following academic fields: game design, basic principles of games, gameplay, storytelling, level design, etc. Psychology, human behavior, motivation, learning theory, etc. Computer science, programming, web development, etc. It is important to have consumer behavior, marketing strategy, branding, etc. through data analysis, marketing, etc. It is important to have the following competencies: ability to generate new ideas, solve problems using game elements, analyze complex problems, come up with solutions, explain gamification strategies and designs in an easy-to-understand manner, and collaborate with others to develop games. It is important to have the ability to utilize tools and platforms. Gamification is being used in a variety of fields and is expected to grow further in the future. Gamification experts are in the spotlight as key human resources in future society, and are expected to be in high demand in a variety of fields. What is a virtual reality programmer? Virtual reality (VR) technology opens up new experiences and possibilities for us. He is an expert in creating virtual reality experiences using his knowledge of 3D graphics, software development, and computer science. Just as a filmmaker creates a movie, a VR programmer is responsible for building virtual worlds and designing experiences that users can interact with. Build realistic virtual worlds using 3D modeling, texturing, lighting, animation, and more. React to user input and create interactive VR experiences using programming languages such as C, C#, Java, and Python. Integrate hardware VR headsets, controllers, etc., and software to build a VR system that operates smoothly. We develop VR content in various fields such as games, education, medicine, and entertainment. Optimize code and troubleshoot system issues to ensure your VR experience runs smoothly. We test VR experiences with real users and improve them based on their feedback. There is no specific degree, but it may be helpful to study the following fields of study: programming, algorithms, data structures, operating systems, etc. In computer science, 3D modeling, texturing, lighting, etc. In 3D graphics for game development such as animation, it is important to have VR/AR-based software and hardware, VR/AR application fields, etc. With VR/AR technology such as game engine, game design, and artificial intelligence, it is important to have the following competencies: imagination and problem-solving skills to create unique and immersive VR experiences, ability to solve complex technical problems and optimize VR systems, teamwork ability to collaborate with experts in various fields such as designers, engineers, and artists to proceed with projects, and explain technical content in an easy-to-understand manner. The ability to effectively communicate ideas in virtual reality technology are developing rapidly, and are expected to be used in more diverse fields in the future. Virtual reality programmers are in the spotlight as key human resources in future society, and are expected to be in high demand in a variety of fields. The role of VR programmers is expected to become more important in various industries, such as games, education, medicine, entertainment, and manufacturing. This information used data from various organizations, including the Future Job Encyclopedia, the Korea Artificial Intelligence Ethics Society, and the Future Job Tour. In the future, it is expected that many new jobs that do not exist today will be created due to technological advancements, social changes, and changes in economic activities. In the future society, it is expected that many new jobs that we cannot imagine today will be created due to the development of cutting-edge technologies such as artificial intelligence, biotechnology, robots, and data. Technological advancements and social changes are creating new jobs beyond our imagination. What kind of jobs will shape our future? Subscriptions, likes, and comments are of great help to us. See you in the next video. Thank you.